Hello guys, today starting for trip. So actually these are two very specially for there. Today is Christmas day, so that's my wishing. That's all the best for this my friends. Christmas day. Sure the best. So starting for today trip. So actually these are very places hard to in. This look at the four areas. So actually these are two. Is the wooden always to. Sent in other places are to wooden. So actually these are look at the for this are in bogies is the wood for this are sailing for and either sent to in other places as to in sending for train. So actually these are two very special word day. First time I am speaking. So you are first time you watching this my video for like this our video and subscribing. So welcome to my video everyone. I invite all my very friends and along to my journey. So actually starting for trip. Looking for this. So this look at for this and front bogie has a very scary bogies. So back to back bogies has to normal bogies is not a passenger train. It's actually is are to product are to in retail for this are to in is the product are to send it to in this are to in train passenger train is not a for this goods train. Look at the for this are forest all wild idea for this are to in going to in train. So actually these are video for starting. Enjoy my video. My journey for enjoying. Don't forget this, send this video to your friends and families. So actually this train is the this passes area thrown to some beautiful places, so cuteness areas. So running fasting. That's good areas for very fast in moving. So this very beautiful places. So frequently, not a frequently in stations is the one to one either two places has to one by in train hair and scene to my scene. So actually these are to game, not a for and reality is the imagination just for artificial. It's not a for reality. So that's my welcome to my video. It's the just for cartoon videos. It's not a in reality. So you can say, but there are not a people here. Is the full nil area? Is not a for people. This look at this for this train is a very scarily front area, not a for in modern train is the very scary bodies. But the good engine and this very good and huge engine is the 55 km/h. This is a good engine. So actually these are running fasting. They're going fast. So fast. So look at this for animal, not a for AS, not a for animal. So the train is the very fast thing. Move to into other places has to come outside. Is look at the for these places has to good areas. So actually these are train has slowly for running. If you look at for this area, so these are good for an area is to cover it for either places. So actually this auto train is the very cringe area for move to in areas. So these are anybody stations and wood plywood are to in protected to selling areas. Is look at the for is anybody for bogies. So actually these are container in product areas. So actually these are factory for these are in resales for reselling areas. So these are factory area. So not a horn and horn and bell are to on and but and later on, but these are not a for in response. So actually running move to in either two places. Okay, fasting. So actually this video you are first time watching, don't this video, don't remember this video for share and subscribe. So actually this short video has been wind up in time. This video for all my friends watching this video, don't forget to support me. My video is over. The train became to become to the get to the right places. See you again tomorrow at the same time. Don't forget to support me and good sleep. So actually this is our video for wind upping. That's breakdown. So that's the station heart moving in the looking for the bridge, highly for bridge are to incoming outsides. So your guide are opening. So actually these are breakdown very fast. Breakdown. Okay, thank you for watching. See you tomorrow again.